Hello and welcome to the very first episode of food series here in our channel, and today we will feature bread and bunnies all the way from Binangon and Rizal. They are so generous to send us 2 boxes of their goodies, which are these cinnamon rolls and of course their cookies. I myself is really a fan of cinnamon rolls, and of course, as expected, as soon as you open the box, you can smell that nice cinnamon aroma. What makes it extra special is that it has cream cheese on top, and it's just the right amount of sweetness that blends really well with the cinnamon. They have it in 3 variants: the classic cinnamon rolls that we have here, in cookies and cream, and just the cinnamon rolls. Now, as for the cookies, I have tasted different kinds already, and they are always delicious. These goodies from Bread and Bunnies was no exception. They are serving just the right amount of sweetness and a hint of saltiness, which made it so perfect. It has also nice texture, and I can really say that their products is a must-try. You can also check their social media accounts. They are both on Facebook and Instagram at Bread and Bunnies. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any food product suggestions that you want us to feature next time.